Imagine the lights go out, and they don't come back. No electricity, no cell signal. Your money? It's just paper now. When the grid fails, the old world dies, but you don't have to. Introducing the Last Map, your master blueprint for the extreme times. From building shelters to mastering the blade, from fire techniques to the art of hunting and fishing trapping. Learn to purify water, measure time and distance without tools, and master silent communication when noise is a death sentence. Become your own doctor. Diagnose disease by symptoms of the tongue and eyes. Master herbal treatments, acupressure, and emergency medical techniques. Stay physically ready with survival yoga and the active survival diet. Build your survivor's toolbox and launch your own survivor's raft. The grid is gone. The old rules are dead. Be ready for your extreme time. Stop guessing and start preparing. This isn't a book, it's a complete survival protocol. Secure the Last Map today, because once the lights go out, it's too late.